Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate the artistry and elegance of wood design. Here are some ideas for wooden art collections that you can consider for your home. Sculptures. Look for hand-carved wooden sculptures that showcase various themes such as human figures, animals, or abstract designs. These sculptures can be displayed on shelves, pedestals, or coffee tables to add a touch of elegance and craftsmanship to your home. Wall hangings. Wooden wall hangings can be a striking addition to any room. Look for intricately carved wooden panels or relief art that can be mounted on the wall. These pieces often feature motifs inspired by nature, traditional patterns, or cultural symbols. Woodblock prints. Woodblock printing is a traditional art form that involves carving a design onto a wooden block and using it to create prints. Look for woodblock prints that depict landscapes, botanical illustrations, or traditional scenes. These prints can be framed and displayed on walls or grouped together as a collage. Wood-turning art. Wood-turning involves shaping wood on a lathe to create decorative and functional objects such as bowls, vases, and candle holders. Look for unique wood-turning pieces with interesting grain patterns and intricate designs. These items can be displayed on shelves, mantels, or dining tables. Wood inlay art. Wood inlay is a technique that involves embedding contrasting wood pieces into a base material to create intricate patterns or images. Look for wooden trays, boxes, or furniture with beautiful inlay work. These pieces can be both decorative and functional, adding visual interest to your home. Wooden wall art. Explore wooden wall art pieces that are specifically designed to be hung on walls. This can include geometric patterns, abstract designs, or nature-inspired motifs. Wooden wall art can be a focal point in a room and can complement various interior styles. Carved panels. Consider large, carved wooden panels that can be mounted on a wall or used as room dividers. These panels often depict elaborate scenes, traditional patterns, or floral motifs and can add a touch of grandeur to your living space. Remember to choose pieces that resonate with your personal taste and complement the overall aesthetic of your home. Wood art can bring warmth, natural beauty, and a sense of craftsmanship to your living space that we hope you enjoyed these wood decor ideas and feel inspired to try them out in your own home. Let us know in the comments which project you're excited to try or share your own wood decor creations with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative home project ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!